Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how to use the monthly cost calculator in the Realtor.com app. If you're planning to buy a home, understanding your potential monthly payments is very important. This tool helps you estimate costs like mortgage, insurance, and taxes. First, open the Realtor.com app on your phone. Next, look for the More option located at the bottom right and tap on it. Next, in the Buying Home section, select Monthly Cost Calculator. Then, start by entering the home price you're considering. After that, type in your down payment. You can also choose your mortgage loan type from the available options. If you have veterans benefits, make sure to turn that option on. Next, add details such as your property tax, home insurance, and any HOA fees. These numbers will help you get a much more accurate estimate of your monthly costs. Finally, tap on Get Pre-Approved to move forward with your mortgage options directly within the app. By following these simple actions, you can use the Realtor.com monthly cost calculator to better prepare for buying your new home. It provides an easy way to understand what your monthly payments might look like. The monthly cost calculator on Realtor.com is a valuable tool that allows you to estimate your expenses and plan your budget effectively before purchasing a home.